Imagine waking up to find your website hacked. Not cool, right? Especially if you're a small business owner thinking, who would even target me? Well, hackers hit 43% of small businesses daily. WordPress powers 75 million websites, making it a hacker's favorite playground. But here's the twist. Regularly updating WordPress is like locking your digital doors with the latest tech. Updates fix security holes. They speed up your site because 47% of customers expect pages to load in under 2 seconds. Slow sites? They'll never come back. Plus, updates keep your plugins playing nice. No more crashes or freezes. And let's be honest, bugs are annoying. Updates squash them and bring new, slick features to make your site easier to use. But beware! Hitting update without backup can crash your site. Yikes. So, are you still risking a hack or slow site? Keep your WordPress updated, protect your online kingdom, and watch your business thrive. What if your website could outsmart